the free analytics daily share. We're going to show how to quickly search Splunk for all of your sources with the metadata command, particularly if you are ingesting a lot of logs or you've got a bunch of summary indexes. You're going to be looking at sources. Sources is the field in Splunk that identifies the name of the log that the file came from, or summary indexing, etc. I'm a big fan of summary indexing, so I actually search my sources frequently. Anyway, let's show how to do it. It's very simple. You do the pipe metadata here. You start your command, pipe metadata, index equals star. You can choose your index if you want. Type equals sources. Notice there is an S on sources there, and you're using type. This will search the metadata field, which is not your indexes. Thereby, it runs a lot faster. This is metafields. And I can do this all-time search. I can hit the run, and I get back results in a second or two. If I were to try to do a stats command, I love stats. This is not a place to use stats. If I were to use a stats command, this could take minutes to, it could take quite a bit of time to search through all of my source types. Sorry, my sources. Anyway, this metadata command is a really quick way of being able to do stuff. You can then continue to do other searches on it, such as search source equals blah or whatever. Get a total count. You can start searching your data just like you'd search any other. All right, I hope this helps you from moving from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja, and hope you'll keep coming back for these daily shares.